Jinan Bodor CNC Machine Company Limited specializes in various laser equipment, R&D, and production, such as laser cutting, engraving, and marking. All series machine are with 2 years warranty. Also, we can supply some different languages like English, French, Arabic, Spanish, Russian, Korean, Portuguese, German. Meanwhile, customized personalized equipment is possible according to customers' requirements. Within this field, Bodor passed CE and FDA certification. Moreover, Bodor has successfully practiced ISO quality system and 5S management, which assures high-efficient production and products' reliability. After years of hard work, Bodor's products have commanded a ready market in 80 countries of North America, West Europe, South Asia, South America, and Mid-East. Facing the chances and challenges of global economic integration and opportunities of knowledge economy era, the wisdom and self-motivated Bodor stuff, brave and passionate, and confirmedly to implement the enterprise management policy, scientific management, continuous improvement, rapidly development, credit first, quality first. We aim to be a professional, branding, and international suppliers for various industrial solutions. Quality and credit goes all the way. Bodor, a company born through market competition, has very thick national culture and develops shoulder to shoulder with world and this era, can achieve our dreams step by step with the high technology.
This is our team. Welcome to Bodor. Our slogan is
Bodor, your best choice. Yeah.